Yay, Clove went up today. Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Young Buffett, the youngest Buffett that ever was. If you are new here, stop what you're doing. Pause the video, honestly. Scroll down, it's that important. Hit the subscribe button. Next to the subscribe button, you'll find a bell. I want you to hit that bell. Now what that does is it notifies you every single time I post a video. Why do I say this? Because 79% of the people who watched my last video were not subscribed. You know what that means? That means whenever I post a video, none of you guys will see it unless you type in, what is Clove doing today? And then my video pops up and you're like, oh, I know that guy. Save yourself the hassle. Hit that subscribe button. Then, right next to the subscribe button, there's a like button. It looks like a thumbs up. It looks like this. Hit that. You know what that does? That tells Google, who owns YouTube, that, hey, this guy's video is so good that 100 people liked it. Then they show that to more people, and then more people get excited, and then you know what happens then? Clove might go up. I don't know. Let's just pretend like it will. Now that we got that out of the way, what are we doing here? We are making videos about Clove, AMC, and other meme stock, momentum stock, stocks that are highly manipulated, stocks that Reddit is talking about, stocks that, you know, are fun to play. That's what we're doing here. I have tons of videos about them. By the way, I just posted this video earlier today about what you need to know about dark pools. It's a pretty cool video, so you should go check that out. Anyways, now that we got all of that out of the way, let's jump over into Ape Wisdom. So Ape Wisdom tracks Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Bets New, Wall Street Bets Elite, stocks, investing, SPACs, options, and day trading subreddits. Number one on the list about the most number one on the list that I can't talk today. SPY, the most talked about stock in the past 24 hours is what I meant to say. SPY has just been, you know, doing its thing. That's fine. Square has absolutely been killing it recently. They just made an acquisition, so everyone's talking about it. Stock is going up like crazy. A lot of people are making a lot of money. I have Square in my long term. It's fantastic. Love it. Tesla doing its thing. It's been killing it. Past 700. Great company. AMC working its way back up to top 5. AMD, again, constantly killing it. Hit 110 today. GameStop kind of working its way down. Not quite sure why, but GameStop and AMC are always up there. Robin Hood. Did it come back to IPO levels? Almost. So it IPO'd at 38. It's currently at 37.73. People are probably talking about it. Probably talking a lot of shit on it. We got Corsair. I wonder why. They're probably doing really well. Or earnings coming up. And then number 9, Clove. Hey, we're top 10. Let's see what people are saying about Clove. Nearby words include Wish. Is that Wish the stock? Or is that Wish as in, I wish Clove would just keep going up? It's probably the stock, or both. Then Like, then Sophie, then Clove, then LOL. Bag, re-up, squeeze, meme, off, buy, end of year, Tilray, out. So it's about 67% overall sentiment. Overall positive sentiment. It's good to know. I like to keep track of this stuff. I like to document my journey and see how overall people are feeling about it and what the price does. They're in no way really correlated, but I just like analyzing it and understanding what people are saying and where the stock price is, which is why I like this chart. This shows Wall Street Bets, and if you navigate over to Clove, you can see that the price of the stock is going up, but comment volume is slowly going up. What we've noticed in the past is anytime the price drastically moves, right after it moves, the comment volume goes up, not necessarily vice versa. So it doesn't matter if 1 million people are talking about it, the price of the stock will continue to do its own thing. Dark pool data. Again, I made this video today. You should go check it out if you want to get a nice understanding of what dark pools really are. But jumping over into the dark pool data over at StockGrid, the net short volume currently sits at negative 3.9 million. So that is increasing. A lot of dark pool activity going on. Net short volume in dollars is negative 31.8 million. A lot of dark pool activity is pretty much all you need to know. And a lot of people are getting really heated about it. There's a lot of manipulation going on. So keep your eye out on this stuff. Again, I'm documenting this whole thing. I'm documenting this journey to see where these numbers lie and how it affects the stock price, because it kind of seems like hedge funds are buying on the dark pool and then selling on retail. So that's no bueno, huh? And then the dark pools allow them to hide their true intentions. You don't know at what price they're shorting. You don't know how many shares they're buying or borrowing. It's just a dark pool. Jumping over into Ortex. Just a bunch of data. That's all it is. Short interest for CLOV today, negative 3.77% change. So short interest is stepping its foot off the gas. That might have been a factor at why the stock went up a little bit today. Overall, short interest is picking back up. So that's kind of good, I guess. Again, I am not fully trusting this Ortex data. If you look, it says 21% of the float is shorted. I do think it's more. The cost to borrow is currently sitting at 1.74. 7 days ago, it was at 2. So that's kind of going down, which I guess would allow people to short more because it's cheaper to do so. Days to cover currently sitting at 0.79. So the days to cover is going up, which I've said in my other videos, you do need to go high. If you look at days to cover before the first squeeze, it was about 2.13. So over double, well over double what it is right now. So that has something to do with volume as well. Volume has been low. People aren't moving the stock around. Jumping over into the all-time chart for CLOV, you know, it did its little whoop-de-whoop over here. We bought 100 shares at 13, 100 shares at 10, 5 and 3 shares that we got for free for selling premium, 50 shares at 820, 50 shares at 890, 1 share because we sold premium and we had extra cash, 850. Then the stock has not moved at all. So you see these green days and some people get really excited, but honestly, the stock is not moving. It is consolidating and it looks like it's waiting for something. You know what it's waiting for? Good old earnings. So earnings is on August 11th. That is going to be really important. Today is August 2nd. So about 9 more days until CLOV comes out, says how they did in the last quarter, says how they're going to do in the next quarter, and their overall plans for the next coming year or so. Now that is going to be the most important factor to look out for, is their guidance and to see where they see themselves in the future. If they do not give forward giving guidance, that is sketch, but I bet you they will. They're a hyper growth company. They are investing a lot of money into new technologies and new people and new resources. They're expanding into 101 counties. In my last video, I said 101 countries. I meant counties. What I wish it was 101 universes. But honestly, this stock is just going to consolidate until earnings. You might see a little bit of pre-earnings run up. You might see a little bit of pre-earnings coming down. Now, I'm going to be that typical YouTuber that says the stock will either go up or go down. It's what it is. So honestly, sit back. If you have some cash, feel free to do whatever you want. I might look into averaging down a little bit later. We are currently down 23.62% on the shares. I don't know. I might average down. We'll see. We'll see. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to let me know. I get back to pretty much every comment. If you want to discuss game plan, what we should do, what we should look out for, I am also very available for that. If you guys did not know, I have a trading group on Finery. Let me just share this with you guys real quick. Finery is like Discord, but just for investing. Wall Street Stock Squad. Dude, we got a bunch of people in here and we talk about stocks like all day. And it's not only CLOV. We talk about the overall market. We talk about trading and stuff, but I like it. I'd like to see some more of you guys in here. It's a lot of fun. We talk about plays. We talk about what we should look out for. Just what's going on in the market. It's always nice to just have some friends in the market, you know? So if you want to be friends in the market, the link to the Finery is in my description. I'd love to see you guys in there. And I love you guys in general, no matter what. So hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.